नमस्ते व्यूअर्स से निवेदन है आज के धारावाहिक को देखने के लिए अपने अपने डिवाइसेस को लैंडस्केप मोड से पोर्ट्रेट मोड में बदल दीजिए। अगर आप यही वीडियो लैपटॉप में देख रहे हैं तो उसको पोर्ट्रेट में बदल दीजिए। अगर आप यही वीडियो टीवी में देख रहे हैं तो उसे लैंडस्केप से पोर्ट्रेट में बदल दीजिए। ज़्यादा लंबी नहीं है, कोशिश करूँगा छोटी रहे। ओ भाई ये बहुत भारी है, ये बहुत भारी है। Hello. So today's video we are gonna do a behind the scene. Okay, so they are in portrait. So the disclaimer has already been given. So DIY. What? No, not DIY. Behind the scenes. So my friend Chari and my brother Chari as in Adit. You can follow Adit anyways. So let's start with behind the scenes.
Yo bro, Mickey. So, what's the plan for today?
Mustang video. So yeah, I'm just looking around the car and seeing what all angles I can shoot photo in. That's all I'm doing. Recording behind the scenes, no?
Yes.
Yes, record. Good. So, let me explain you. It's too hot, dude. Let me explain you what all things you need to make behind the scene to how to shoot a video on a low to zero budget. So let me explain you. This gimbal is not affordable by everyone, so it's fine. But this Jugadu tripod, mini pod, or monopod, whatever you want to call, for rolling shots I use this. This is a tripod head on a, what is this called, PVC pipe. So I can just fix my phone onto it and take the rolling shot outside the car, just put the phone. So yeah, that's it. So rolling shots I take with this, with my disposable S5. That's in that, and that's my gimbal. So sometimes I use Adi's phone because it's 1080p and it's okay. So things you need is monopod, tripod, something which is stable, which you can trust with your device. Using this, my gimbal and phone. So yeah, to have a stable shot of the car. One mistake which I did while editing is never record it in a lower resolution with a lesser frame rate. Always record your videos regardless of automobile or any type of sort of videos until and unless you want to do a fast motion or there is a restriction. Preferably 60 frames a second is the best for slow moves, fast moves, and I don't know if they call it fast move, but I don't know. So yeah, 60 frames frames per second. So this doesn't have 60 fps, this does has 30 fps with 1080p max. I think it does 2K. I don't know what's the max resolution on this. So prior to what do you say, shooting, you need to decide where all you want to do it. So it's better if you go to the places. So in my list I have 3 places in mind. One is the overbridge on Saruj Pump, and Opera House outside, Opera House backside, and the road in Barikal Shati side. So these are the couple of places which I have decided that looks nice and I want to keep them in the video. So fix a place where you want to shoot, imagine some angles, and then try to do trials before the actual shoot. So like how I have taken these shots basically with a toy car at home. So to have a rough idea how I want to see the video, so I make a rough estimate how I want the video to look like, and then when the day of the shooting, it's easier for you to, the workflow is very easy. Moreover, every time the mistake which I did with my video, which I am doing with my video right now, is I have not decided the song. I have not decided what audio to. Like we have decided a song, we have not like thought about the video in what order it has to go. You need to fix the song first and then start shooting. So today we decided to come up with the song, but then you should do that prior to it, and according to that song you should make the edits and transitions and how you think the video should go. So music comes first, then comes pre-destination, or what do you say, location picking, and then you need to go physically and see the locations. And last but not the least, practice your shots before in hand, because I am doing that mistake. I have not in practice. So in this heat, wearing this hoodie, I am taking 3 shots, 4 shots of a same thing, and it's just taking up my space. So yeah, it's better to pre-practice and then go for the final shot and decide what shots you want to take, because then it is useful. And I'm not wearing mask, not that I removed it so that my audio is clear. So yeah, other than that, yeah, hope you enjoyed the Mustang video. If you have seen the Mustang video, please do go and give it a like, subscribe, and there's a annotation.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, there's an annotation on top. So yeah, if you go like, if you've seen the video, thanks for liking it if you have liked the video. Otherwise, yeah. Anyways, if you're into gameplay, we're working on gameplays. One video is coming soon. I'll be posting it in maybe next week about a gameplay, PUBG gameplay. And other than that, a weekly vlog is coming next. I'll be scheduling it. Other than that, what else? So please do subscribe, like, and do comment. And sorry for being slow if I'm late uploading this video. Sorry, I'm trying my best. I have other things also to do, which may be nothing for you or everyone else, but yeah, I am lazy. I will not deny that fact. I am lazy. मैं बहुत lazy हूँ. Anyways, so yeah, hope you like this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Fucking ran out of space.